Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of I Gave a Frog a Turtle Shell. No, just kidding. I renamed it to Five Nights at Turtles because, well, I gave a frog a turtle shell. So, yep. Okay, so now what we're going to do is the new game scripts. So, when the sprite clicks, stop other scripts in the sprite. Stop other scripts in the sprite. Hide. Broadcast newspaper. Yeah, okay. Newspaper. Good. We also want to the menu to get rid of itself too. So when flag clicks, when I receive newspaper, hide. Stop other scripts in the sprite, and now that happens. Actually, no, not stop other scripts in the sprite for here, because it will be when I receive office stop other scripts in the sprite, so the music stops playing. Okay, so now you can create a newspaper. So I called it sprite newspaper, and you create a new one. Convert it to bitmap. But don't do it like forever. Get the fill-in tool, do that. Get a square with outlines. Okay, and add a little line down like over here. And then yeah. So once you got that line, just do whatever you want. Turtles pizza place opens next week or something like that. Opens next week. So yeah. Why did I just say that? Okay, so once you got that, you need to write a bit of a story down. So after millions, several I can't spell it right. I think that's right. Several closings. Turtles pizza place returns. They are looking for a night guard. And to watch over the place. Okay, that should be fairly good. Make it a little bigger if you want. And if you make it bigger, make it sure it fits the thing. Okay, now you see that blank square there. I'm gonna get the little turtle guy. Get him. Okay, so we get this stuff. Okay, so now we got a newspaper. Make sure it's at 00. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. So you get coal 808 787 909 787 to apply. 100 dollars, which is like the money sign, per hour. Okay, we got that. Good. So, okay. So now we can, wait, one more thing on the newspaper. Click to continue. Now we can start coding. So, when flag clicks hide, go to 0, 0, just in case we accidentally make it go somewhere else. When I receive newspaper show, when this right clicks, broadcast, office, hide, then go into the menu script. When I receive office, hide, just add the hide for extra, and stop other scripts in the sprite, so in the menu sprite. Okay, so now we're going to make the office. Okay. So now we're going to make the office. It should be simple. We just create an office sprite. Now we're going to do a scrolling office because it's actually pretty easy. So we get a little color for the office. Mine will be blue, or maybe purple, I don't know. And, okay, we get that. Then you can get whatever color you want for like the walls. You get a 4 walls. Then add some lines to like make the walls look like walls, kind of. I don't know. So, make sure it's a bit long so like the scrolling office works. No, because yes. Okay, then what we want to do is get like a black box thing, get a rectangle and copy that and make another rectangle. And we can add like a desk close to these because yes. I don't know why. Just yes. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay, we got a good office. That's kind of good. Now, go to when flag, go into the code. When flag clicks, hide, forever. Go to, set X to, that like surfing, I don't know what it's called, maybe like, I forgot. Okay, mouse X by 0.2. When I receive office, like mouse X 0.2. When I receive office, show. I don't know. Okay, sure. Now you can cut like, it's like a scrolling office, but we need buttons and stuff, and like them not saying where they are. So we have to create like a button, like a red button for the doors, and make sure like goes near the doors, like when in your costumes, not just like you drag it. So costumes, make it go near the door. When flag clicks, hide, bring in like, get like a forever, go to X, go to set X to, just do the same thing you did for the office. Mouse X 0.2. When I receive office show. And now it like sticks to the office. without like it staying somewhere. So yeah, but that's not it for the video. Let me just name this quickly. Door button 1. Duplicate like the door button thing. Make sure the duplication goes to 0, 0 again, just because, yes. Okay. Now, make it like, wait a minute, I need the office to go to 0, 0, 2. For this to actually do what this way. So make it go to like the other door instead of that door, and then yeah. But now what we need to do is make it like so when you click it, like the doors come. So let's do that, guys. Wow. So they like copy that the doors. Well, not both the doors. So door 1, which will coincide with door button 1. Paste. Make sure it goes to 0, 0 again because you can't forget about that. Now, make it a little like make it grey because I mean, what doors aren't grey? You know, the doors that you can open normally. Okay. Get like a yellow. Put it at the bottom. Get the line tool. You don't have to do this, but I'm just doing it because I don't know. Just to make it look like Five Nights at Freddy's door or something. So, do the same thing you did with pretty much all the others. Go to when flag clicks, hide, forever, set X to the dash thing, symbol thing. Mouse X, 0.2. Now, but wait. We can't just make it show when the office shows. You have to make the door button do it. But it can't like close it all the time. So how are we going to do that? Answer, variables. Wow, that's the first time I'm using the variables. Okay, so new variable name, door 1, not doobie 1, door 1, open, close. Now, you're going to make sure, when flag clicks, set door 1, open, closed to open. And then, okay, so, you get the if and then statement when this right clicks thing. So yeah, not mouse X this time. I was a bit confused. If door 1 open close is open, then broadcast door 1 close, door 1 close. Switch costume to costume 2, which is just going to be a duplicate of the costume but green. And okay, so door 1 close, switch costume to costume 2, and set door 1 close open to close. Just copy the same code into the else statement, and door 1 open. Switch costume to costume 1, open. Okay, so it's open. When I receive door 1 close, show. When I receive door 1 open, hide. So, now that we got that, the door will all close and open and 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 close and open and, you know, that. But it might glitch out and make it like switch to green first. So what, to fix that, just make it switch costume 1 first. Okay. Easy, but I think it could use a little more sound. So, we just gotta find upload sound. Okay, here. Okay. Yep, got it. Here. Shoot. Okay, that's done. Okay. Good. It's working. But what about the other one? It doesn't do anything when you click it. Oh my god, it doesn't do anything. Ah! Okay, let's fix that. Okay, let's just duplicate, like, bring the code into here. Like, let's edit the code and make it, like, door 2. Door 2 open close. Door 2 open close. Make that new variable. Just replace everything that has like door 1 in it to door 2. Make sure you get a new sprite, which is green. Of it, like, okay. Door 2, door 2. Okay. Door slamming, we can just drag that in from there. But we need door 2, actually. To actually... door 2. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. So get door 2 from the yes. Then, like, you can... I'm just gonna add the thing to the other door, add like an overlay to door 2. And now all you have to do is just make it door 2 close and door 2 open, and then we got, oh wait a minute, we gotta fix that. Go to 0, 0 quickly. Make this go to 0, 0 quickly. This probably won't do it. Okay, that's fine. And just make it go there. Okay, good. I fixed it. Wait a minute, wait, what? What? Okay, I fixed it. Good, okay. And we'll do that in door 2 button, switch costume to door 1, set door 2 open close to open. So okay, so now we got that, and I think I'm gonna end the video here, so goodbye. Oh wait, what? That wasn't what I meant to do.